Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of Paymo tasks? Need to export them for a client report or maybe just for a backup? So you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to export tasks from Paymo step by step. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's understand why exporting tasks is important. Whether you're transitioning to a different project management tool, creating a comprehensive report, or simply want a backup, exporting your tasks is a valuable skill. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Navigate to the Tasks page. The first step is to log into your Paymo account and navigate to the Tasks page. This is where you'll find all your active and completed tasks. Step 2. Select the tasks to export. Now, it's time to choose which tasks you want to export. You can do this by selecting the checkbox next to each task or using the search bar to filter your results. Step 3. Choose the export format. Once you've selected your tasks, click on the Export button. Paymo will give you a few options for the export format. Common choices include CSV, Excel, and PDF. Step 4. Customize the export. Optional. Depending on the export format you choose, you may have the option to customize the exported data. For example, you might be able to select which columns to include or change the date format. Step 5. Download the exported file. After you've made your selections, click the Export button again. Paymo will generate the exported file and prompt you to download it to your computer. Additional tips. Bulk export. If you need to export a large number of tasks, consider using Paymo's bulk export feature. This can save you time and effort. Asterisk. Regular backups. It's a good practice to export your tasks regularly as a backup. This way, you'll always have a copy of your data in case something happens to your Paymo account. Asterisk. Custom reports. Paymo also offers a reporting feature that allows you to create custom reports based on your tasks. This can be a helpful way to analyze your project data. Asterisk. And there you have it. Exporting tasks from Paymo is a straightforward process that can be valuable for a variety of reasons. By following these steps, you can easily extract your task data and use it for whatever purpose you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.